Now this may look like a luxurious resort, but we're actually in a private residence located in the prestigious Papagayo Peninsula. This place was specifically designed for you to experience some outdoor and indoor living. It invites the vibrancy of nature right inside, with floor-to-ceiling glass windows that open all the way up. The terrace outdoor living area is perfect for family gatherings. It has everything you need. If you love to cook, it's got a barbecue kitchenette. If you love swimming, a 50-foot pool and an infinity hot tub that overlook the jungle. It really feels like you're floating in air. There are so many lounge areas on this terrace, it's incredible, each with its own stunning view. And they included a full bathroom, so you can have everything you need. Now this outdoor barbecue kitchenette is perfect for people who love to cook and dine al fresco, but for an added charge, you can also have a private chef come in and grill up your favorite catch of the day. And right outside by the pool is a state-of-the-art gym, including an ice-cold plunge. And your backdrop? Lush jungle and ocean and beach. Now you may never get tired of these views, but if you ever want to kind of come inside and watch your favorite shows, well, there's a TV hidden around every corner. As you can see, Villa Mariposa is the epitome of luxury. It truly doesn't get any better than this.